What's going on, everyone? Just unboxed this brand new coolant tank here, and I gotta say it's a little dirty. If you just got yours in the mail and you're watching this, or yours still looks like this, well, this should have almost a mirrored finish to it, and it doesn't, but it's okay. I don't blame Goodluck Racing, you know. So hopefully we can clean this bad boy up and make it look like a real showpiece, which is kind of what you buy it for. Alright, and after fighting through traffic on a Saturday night, we have the aluminum polish mothers, and we have the, I just got some pads just to hopefully, you know, help with the application and, you know, not use any of my nice microfiber towels. But so let's just start applying the wax and see where it goes. That is like 100 times better. It's a little hard to see on camera, but you can definitely see the difference with the polish. And this side is not. It basically cuts off where the cap is. So this is polished, this isn't, but man, that is quite a difference. Trying to show in the light. You know, I'm gonna make like 2 more passes, or maybe I'm gonna do 3 passes over the whole tank, but that is much better compared to that. So there you can kind of see. But let's keep going. The fun doesn't stop. My arm already is kind of tired, but we're gonna keep going. Alright, so I think I'm good now. I'm going to start cleaning it up, but I'm going to go wash my hands first so I don't keep smearing it every time I try cleaning it.